Welcome back to SciTi Tech. In this video, I want to do a teardown of this phone power pack cover. I want to see how it works, and I want to see if there's any parts worth salvaging. Let's get started. Find some weak points. Bend this and break it off. This will loosen the panel. And I'll take the flat screwdriver and pry it open. And there, it is now open. And as you can see, there's a very large battery inside. Now I need to carefully remove the battery because I think it might contain lithium and I don't want it to burn. Before I do that, I want to remove the screws from this power charging circuit. And there we go, it is now removed. Cut the wires, and I'll carefully remove the battery. I see some concerning tears on the side of the battery, which I think might be a problem, but I think it should be okay. Just need to watch the battery to see if it doesn't change its shape. This circuit right here is just a very simple circuit, which is a battery protector circuit, preventing from the battery from overcharging or quickly discharging. So I guess it's not much of a teardown for much components. In fact, I'll probably just use this entire circuit for something. And there you have it. Now you know what's inside of a phone power pack cover and what kind of components that are worth salvaging, in this case, this entire circuit, and the rest of it is completely useless. Thank you for watching SciTi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future SciTi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.